Hey guys, I'm David Rico here at Suavecito headquarters, and we're gonna get a little uncomfortable today. Nobody likes to talk about hair loss, but as hair care professionals, I feel not only that it's our responsibility, but it's also to our benefit to kind of educate your clients on what they can do to prevent and take care of their hair loss situations. Now, our trusted brand Suavecito is making it possible for us to carry a solution in our own shops for our clients that are exhibiting hair loss or showing early signs of hair loss. So in the new Suavecito hair treatment line, we have a Minoxidil. We follow that with a Thickening Shampoo, and that's matched with a Thickening Conditioner. And then to style your hair, you have a matte hair cream. The first step in the hair treatment line is going to be Minoxidil. So this comes in a dropper form, and you're going to apply this to the crown of your head twice daily, and this is really going to make your hair feel thicker and stronger. The next step is the Thickening Shampoo matched with the Thickening Conditioner. Now these both have niacinamide in it. Sounds a little intense, but really that's just a form of vitamin B3, which is going to help restore damaged hair, help with the texture of your hair, and help regulate oil. The last step, just like any other grooming regimen, is going to be what you style your hair with, and this one is a matte hair cream. So it's going to help you style your hair without weighing it down and keeping it feeling natural. It has a DHT blocker in the formula, and that's important because DHT is the male hormone that shrinks hair follicles. So this is going to help you get rid of those bad guys. Talking about hair loss prevention shouldn't be uncomfortable with your clients. So we're talking about keeping hair fuller, thicker, stronger for as long as we can on them so they can keep feeling good, keep looking good, and we can keep cutting their hair. So the idea behind a hair loss prevention line is to get in at the beginning. So we're gonna kind of take away from those uncomfortable talks a little bit by analyzing the problem sooner. So we're not looking for people who already are exhibiting a large bald spot or their hairline is gone. We're looking for people who are just trying to keep their hair longer, thicker, and they're in those beginning stages. You get past a certain age, you notice a difference in the way your hair feels. So those are the cues. Like I definitely have clients that, the easy ones to bring it up to would be the ones that come in and say, I don't have much left, David. I think this might be the last haircut. And it's kind of a running joke, but it's obviously something that's on their mind. By carrying this hair loss prevention line in our own shops, it not only gives you the opportunity to have a recurring point of sale, but it's also going to make it easier for your clients to pick up a product they need while they're already getting a service. And it's also going to open up a lot of opportunity for you to relate to your clients to figure out who needs it, which is going to give you a stronger client base as well.